I got my own jiggle name. Look, I know that's the Canic. I know it, okay? TTI Combat, I know it. But this is my baby right here, all right? And nobody shoots better than me with my baby. 19X Glock gang over everything. He ain't gonna have no malfunctions. I ain't gonna have no fuck ups. And I'm gonna shoot faster than all of y'all right now, especially him. I'm not worried about him. Who's him? TPT Kenny, who's that?